If you are a Jamaican living in Canada, do not skip this video. I'm speaking directly to you. Now, 10 years ago, if you lived in Kingston and wanted to send something to a family member in Mandeville, they may as well be on another planet. But now the new toll road has brought them even closer. This is exactly what we are and who we are. My fellow Jamaicans living in places like British Columbia, Alberta, Toronto, Manitoba, Ontario, Quebec, and whatever, you know to pronounce it. When it comes to sending things back home to your loved ones, you may as well be on another planet. Now, this is a very simple concept. Please follow along. My name is Robert Taylor, and I am the Chief Operating Officer of Island Shipper. And when you create an account with Island Shipper, you are given a unique US mailbox address. Though you live in Canada, you will be using a US address for the delivery address. But I'll get to that in a little bit. When your items are delivered to us, they are weighed, measured, and shipped directly to the destination in Jamaica that you desire. Now, look at that. Isn't that amazing? I just built a new toll road in front of your eyes. I just connected places like Alberta, Manitoba, Quebec, Ontario, back home, and you can ship anything back home with just 2 clicks on your smartphone. Want to put a flat screen TV on mama's wall? Go to places like Amazon.com and Walmart.com. You just click it and we ship it. Mama needs adult diapers and medication? Just click it and we ship it. Someone back home is having a baby shower and you want to send them a nice gift? Just click it and we ship it. Bought a nice pair of shoes for yourself and want to send one to your sister back home? Just click it and we ship it. We ship it all, small and large. And if you want to buy 10 or 20 items and have them put in one box, just click it and we ship it. Now, you're worried about payment. We are a quarter of FedEx and payment is done online. You can use credit, debit card, PayPal or Zelle. And you do not have to pay until the item clears customs. And we are about to deliver them to your loved one. Now, I did say you will get a US address, right? This is because our facilities is in Florida, which is the closest port to Jamaica, so you can get your packages there as fast as possible. Now, you can utilize your US address in one of 3 ways. 1. You can shop on all US-based websites. So, instead of shopping on Amazon and eBay.ca, you will now shop on Amazon.com or eBay.com because you are using a US address. In this case, your items will be shipped from a US warehouse, possibly the closest one to us, and the items will get to us in the shortest possible time. 2. You can shop on the CA version of online websites. For example, Amazon.ca or eBay.ca, which would mean that your items will originate from the seller's Canada warehouse and ship across the border to Florida. But in most cases, the shipping will be free and the government will not charge duty on items valued below $800. 3. If you already have the items in your possession, you can just pack them in a box and take them to the nearest post office and mail them to your US mailbox address in Florida. That's right, you will be given a free mailbox in Florida and there is no cost associated. We cover the entire island. We deliver to the garrison and residential communities, and even places in the country that do not have a complete address. Now, you're wondering, how much of this is true? As Mama always say, the proof is in the pudding. Do your research. Find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even LinkedIn. After you are convinced that we are who we say we are and we do what we say we do, click on the link below to create a free shipping account. Speaking of free, I left the best for last. All our customers have the opportunity to ship 4 packages under £5 for free each year. If you want to enjoy this benefit, just click on the free shipping coupon at the top corner of our website after you've created your free account. Let me thank you so much for spending these few minutes of your time with me. Please share our company with your families and friends. And I understand that you are still a little skeptical. So, start with something small. Create an account today. WhatsApp our customer service number. Tell them that you saw this ad on YouTube and you want to ship a small item just to test us out. We allow you to ship that to Jamaica for free. So go ahead, create your account, welcome to our company, and thank you for giving us the opportunity to have you touch yard. Blessings.